Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Yeah, it's quite interesting at the moment. Natgas is now moving closer towards the resistance area that I mentioned already in yesterday's video. So we'll have to see if it's holding. We are going to talk about that in a minute. At the moment, the idea is that we probably are en route to another low since Natgas failed to hold support in this decline. So we had considered originally that Natgas finished here only a third wave. The idea was we were rallying in a fourth and would make another low. But it moved a little bit too high for a reliable wave 4. However, it broke above resistance. So I considered it potentially the beginning of a new uptrend. And the low already formed here, the overall long-term low, because I believe that either way, we are close to a long-term low on the Natgas chart, okay? Close to a long-term low. But then the price broke a little bit too far down. And it's actually made a new low now. So that's already, you could say, expectation fulfilled now. Because already yesterday and the day before, we saw it did break micro support. So we'll probably see another low. So that's why I had to consider this or reconsider this as the wave 4 with another low to come. And now we talk about the microstructure. So as I said, the idea is that we should still go a little lower because the move down doesn't look entirely complete. The ideal target area is sort of around $1.98, $1.92, $1.81. The microstructure also suggests that we should see at least one more low, maybe 2 more lows. So let's shift them into place. Always need to, obviously time goes on, so we move them to the right a little bit. So couple of possibilities when we talk about the micro structure here. First of all, I'd like to see if we can actually draw a trend line here that might act as additional resistance. Here we've got 4 touch points. So I'd like to keep that as a potential resistance area on the chart or resistance level. That is worth watching because we've got 3-4 touch points up there. Yeah, possibly rather 4. Just want to make sure I've got them all. Yep. And this trend line goes directly through the communicated resistance areas. So the idea is that of this 4th wave high that formed on the 9th of January, this is a 1-2 setup to the downside. Then we've got another 1, 2, 3. And this is now the question. Is this still wave 4, smaller degree within circle wave 3? Or did we already form 4 and 5? Both possible, I'd say. But because the move down looks more like a 3-wave move, I'd rather go back to my previous interpretation. But it's possible that this is all of wave 3. Then we already form wave 4 now. And then just one more low. But in my interpretation, we might see 2. This just looks nice as an expanded flat pattern at the moment. Might get another squiggle higher. The resistance area overall is between 226 and 236. So if we get a break above 236, it's a first indication that a low is in. But really, I couldn't confidently confirm that a long-term low is in until we break above that $2.78 level, that high that formed in January. Yeah, it's just because, let's be honest, this here could form a triangle, for example. So this 4th wave, yeah, and they are just, this is resistance here. So that really impacts the micro. If we break above resistance, then this immediate move down seems to be over. But that doesn't mean that the long-term low is in. It just means that this could form a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, and then we make another low. That's possible, but it's too early to confirm a triangle, way too early. I just want to highlight, see, this could turn into a larger wave 4. A, B, C, something like that. And the wave 4 sits here. And then this is what Natgas can produce from here, right? And we use signals for that. So that's why we're tracking resistance. We know that immediate downside pressure should remain strong as long as the $2.36 level is not broken and is respected. Above that level, we have to think about different corrective structures, maybe consider that the long-term low is already in, but it looks fairly incomplete at the moment. So I would probably consider maybe a triangle is forming, and this was only a 3-wave move down and basically an internal wave in a triangle. So I just want to highlight these possibilities exist, yeah. Natgas has kept us very much in anticipation mode throughout 2023 here in this boring multiple month long sideways correction. Yeah, but overall the situation hasn't changed. The parameters haven't changed. I would like to leave them where they are, the resistances, and yeah, it should give you, the analysis should have given you all the parameters to watch for the coming sessions. And yeah, hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, then check out our S&P 500 and stock service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.